guys, it's Chemical Bonza here, and today I'm going to be making a video on this game called Crashy Cats. I've played this game a lot, and actually, I got this cat named Rusty, and I gave it a pirate hat. It reminds me a lot like Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's. Do-do-do-do! Bagels! Bagels and rockets! Don't hit the pugs! Oh, that pug. I just killed a pug. Oh, cake! You destroy stuff, you kill enemies, you die from walls, you die from dogs, you die from dogs on missiles, you die from dogs on balloons. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can die from. You can kill your owners, though. And you have to collect the cakes. If you get 3 cakes, there's this bonus mode. It's where you become a rainbow cat. And you fly through space. Die, human. And you have to jump over stuff. You have to survive. And it's an endless game. It's really fun. Tic-tac. Oh, and there's bounce pads. There's also stuff called speed pads. You can collect those fish. Really fun. And you can get money to open chests. You can get different cats. You start out with this one with no hat on. I gave all my cats hats. And chest opening, there's that. You can dress up your animals. You can do stuff like this. Ooh, travel 2,000 meters. I'm working on that one. Go here. Wow. Well, let's play another round. I'm not actually sure if this thing is recording or not. I hope it is. Please tell me it is. Because if it's not, I've been talking for about, I don't even know how long, to myself. We can flying across the screen through a wall. What's this? Die! You don't smack pans, you don't smack computers. And the game chooses random maps, but they're all the same. So, you can play a map and might die from it. Yeah, there's certain maps, with that. I just died to that, boss. And, oh, cake. And you can literally train for them. Why did it show me that way? And my cat can walk on water. Wow. Or is that just me jumping? I have no idea. And this thing actually has its own recording thing. But I'm not using that. Because it doesn't work on my phone. My phone's the only camera I have for my YouTube channel. That's why everything's so terrible. Take that. And there's actually some videos I can't post. Because, YouTube backs up. And I won't post any videos. But watch. Bonus mode. Hit the meteors. They give you money. Hit the satellites. They give you more money. It's really fun. Oh, take that.
Let me see.
Whoop.
Let me see.
Night kitty!
Wow.
And my brother's in here.
Pretty crazy.
My brother's in here. You want to check out his channel? What's your channel's name?
Elusive Midget.
Elusive Midget?
Sadly, I can't change my name because Google won't let me.
How did Biscuit, or whatever that dog was, how did it die?
Wow.
It just fell through, my Foxy cat just fell through the flipping ground. How crazy is it? Give me my 4-back mouse!
I'm putting it back together. God.
Yeah, and it's pretty fun. Now stop. You're messing up a YouTube video. I can't even pause this thing. Yeah, so. Yeah. I'm kind of YOLOing this right now.
You're what?
I'm YOLOing this. YOLO! YOLO! I hate paintings! I hate lights! I hate faces! I hate owners! I hate dogs! One! I love my friends, and you can also, like, find your other cats on the maps, and they can actually follow you. So, like, they act as a second life. See? Now I'm playing as this one. Give me a second life. And I just died. You're actually supposed to hop on the runes there. Oh! I accept this reward. That was good. I'm gonna open this chest now. I got a unicorn horn. Not now. Let's play, Rusty. Rusty, let's go! And all the cats on here have their own names. I don't actually know how to change them. So yeah. Big cat, you're good. I'm not sure if they did this in the programming. It just seems that other cats jump higher, and some don't, and some jump not high, but they go really fast. On here, I actually like slow cats, but they jump high. But actually, like this Foxy cat, it's perfect. I have my two favorite cats in this entire game. Woo! Woo! Jump! Die! Don't die! I told you not to die! Destroy 3 wall. I've done 1 of 3! Dang, I'm doing good! I'm doing good! Look at that! Look at that! That is a good one! Look at the cake dancing there! Oh, wait. Yeah, it's a dance party! Yeah, let's just get playing. But you should really download this app. And no, I'm not being sponsored by these guys. And this is free in the App Store where I got it. Google Play. Yeah, it's free. It's fun. I'm not being sponsored. I do not get paid by YouTube like some YouTubers do. And you can also like set house fires. Oh, this is the map. I should expect that. And that. I'm doing that. Bop. You can bop dogs in the head. And I just got an achievement. Yeah. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, friend. Come with me. Boxes! He died. How did I die there? What did I get hit by? See, 6 unquite hats and yeah. Well, that's it for today. See you guys.